Hi, my name is Amber and welcome to another Stellar Guitarist guitar tutorial. In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to play Dreams by Fleetwood Mac. This is a great beginner guitar song with really easy chords, plus I've added something extra to the chord sequence to make it that much more fun to play. So let's jump into the lesson. So we don't need to have a capo for this song, and we're going to need 5 chords. So the very first chord that we're going to need is an F major chord. Now, this can be played as a bar chord. If this is too difficult for you, then you can also use the half bar. So you take your first finger and just bar it over the first and second strings, and it looks like this, and you strum from the 4th string down. This would be a perfect F major chord as an alternative if you are struggling with the bar chord. Or if this is even too difficult for you, you can also use a regular F major 7 chord, which I like to call easy F. And there's no bar needed here. Next up, we need a regular G major chord. We're also going to need a G6 for this song, and a G6 is just playing a normal G without your ring finger or without pushing down on the high E string. And then our final chord that we need for the song is an A minor chord. As I've mentioned already, this is a great song for a beginner because we only have 2 chords in the chord sequence in the verse as well as in the chorus. So let's jump into learning the chords that we need in the verse. So the 2 chords we need are an F major and a G major chord. So please use whichever F you are comfortable with. So we have the F major bar chord. You can use your half bar, or you can use the good old F major 7 chord. For this lesson, I'm going to be using the half bar for the verses. Next, we need the G major chord. And these are the 2 chords we need in the verse. And they're going to be 4 beats between each chord. So we can strum down on beat 1, a 1, 2, 3, 4 to G, 2, 3, 4. Back to F, 2, 3, 4, and to G, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, switch, 1, 2, 3, switch. One more time, 2, 3, 4, and to G, 2, 3, 4. So you can get away with playing the entire song with just 1 down strum if that is the level that you're currently at. However, the strumming pattern that you can also use in the song sounds like this: down, down, up, up, down, up. Down, down, up, up, down, up. And you can play that once on each of the chords. So it's going to sound like this. Down, down, up, down, up, switch. So from F to G. Down, down, up, down, up, switch. Now, are you ready to master your chord changes and to make your guitar playing dreams a priority and a reality? If the answer is yes, then check out my guitar program, the Stellar Academy, which is perfect for you if you really want to smash your guitar goals and start to play songs with ease, joy, and confidence. All the information is linked below this video, so go check it out. I'd love to welcome you into the program so that I can help you reach all your guitar playing dreams. Moving on into the chorus, the most basic way that you can play the chorus is using an F major 7 chord to that G6. So it would sound like this, from an F major 7 to the G6. 1, 2, 3, 4 to G6. 2, 3, 4. F major 7, 3, 4, and G6. 2, 3, 4. We can also add the strumming pattern in. Down, down, up, down, up, switch. Down, down, up, down, up, G6, back to F major 7, and to G6. Now, if you want to add some flavor to the chorus, what we can do is we can take that F major 7 chord and you can slide it up 2 frets. So 1, 2. And we've then got a different voicing for that G6 chord. So this is our normal G6, and this is how it would sound using that F major 7 chord shape. So a good idea would be to practice changing from the F major 7 and sliding up, back to F major 7, sliding up, and if you want to take it one step further to make the chords sound even fuller, you can play a 4-fingered F major 7 chord. So what we do there is we take our ring finger up to the 5th string, and then you can tuck your pinky in its place. And now you can strum 5 strings. So from the A string you can strum down. And then this shape you can shift up to the 3rd fret for the G6. So we have down, down, up, down, up, slide. So this is another option that you can use for the chorus. Depending on your ability and the level that you're playing at, choose the chord sequence that is most comfortable for you. The next section of the song is going to be presenting us with a slightly different chord sequence. So we're going to be starting this section, which is the instrumental, on an F major chord. We're then going to do 2 rounds of G. We're then going to go back to an F major chord. Then we have the A minor chord, which only appears for this one and only time. And then we're going to go back for 2 rounds of the G chord before finishing off with that F chord again. So all in all, the instrumental is going to sound like this from our F major. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. G again. Back to F. To A minor. 2 rounds of G. And to F again. The main thing to note here is that you can use the normal F and normal G chord throughout the song, and you can sprinkle in those variations wherever you feel like you'd like to add them in. It's really up to you, as long as you're having fun and you are enjoying playing the song. Next up, I'll be doing a playthrough of the song, so grab your guitar and join me. Don't forget to also play this back as many times as you need to get it right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here you go again, you say you want your freedom. Well, who am I to keep you down? It's only right that you should play the way you feel it. you lost. Oh, thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Say women, they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you'll know. You will know. Now here I go again, I see your crystal visions. I keep my visions to myself. It's only me who wants to wrap around your dreams. And have you any dreams you'd like to sell? Dreams of loneliness, like a heartbeat drives you mad. In the stillness of remembering what you had and what you lost and what you had and what you lost. Oh, thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Say women, they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you'll know. Oh, thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Say women, they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you'll know. You will know. You will know. You'll know. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, then I'm absolutely sure you're going to love the lesson that is being suggested to you right now on the screen. Once again, it's been great to jam along with you. Don't forget to like this video. It really helps my channel out. It allows me to continue making lessons like this one for you every single week. Until next time, I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.